Hey guys, Ronnie Mac here. You guys know me as Mr. Hair Art, and we got some exciting news. We got the biggest news that we have ever come up with on this channel, and it is huge. You guys know about the mobile salons. Everybody knows about mobile salons now. We are the premier company that builds mobile salons, and we had to create the Mobile Salon School because we had so many people that wanted to go mobile and do mobile salon, go mobile and have a mobile salon bus. So now we created the Mobile Salon School so that you get trained and educated and get your mobile salon license, your mobile salon operator's license to operate the mobile salon buses. All right, well, the school is $1,000, but we have financing. We do have financing for the school. Once you finance $1,000, it's like 61 bucks a month. So awesome deal. You get your mobile salon operator's license. You learn how to do how to operate the mobile salon buses, and you get put into our financing program or our sponsorship program where you'll be picked up by a sponsor. You can be picked up by a sponsor where they put the $100,000 for the mobile salon bus down for you. Okay, that's the monies that it costs to get into a mobile salon bus. All right, here's the big news. The $1,000 school, we have an application that you sign up for to apply for the Mobile Salon School for the financing. For everyone that applies for the Mobile Salon School, for the $1,000 for the Mobile Salon School, we are going to be doing a raffle. We're going to be doing a giveaway. We're going to be giving away tuition for the Mobile Salon School to one lucky person every single day. That's right. Every day we're going to be giving away a tuition to the Mobile Salon School to a lucky person every day. So that means if you apply now, you get put into the big bucket of applications and people that apply for the Mobile Salon School. You get put into the big barrel of applicants, and we're going to pull a name every day. We're going to announce it on this channel. We're going to send out an email, and we're going to let one person know every day that they got a free ride, that we're going to be paying for their tuition. Okay, that's $1,000 every single day. We're going to be giving away free tuition for a lucky person every day, all the way up for the rest of this year, all the way up through December. We're going to be giving away free tuition for one lucky person every single day. So all you have to do is apply, and you'll be put into, your name will be, your application will be put into the drawing for the Mobile Salon School, the $1,000 Mobile Salon School, and we'll be drawing a name every day. Your name will stay in that drawing for the entire year. So you could be attending the school, making your payments or whatnot, and then all of a sudden you get a call saying, hey, you won, we're going to be taking over your payments. Okay, everybody, all the names that are in there, your name is going to stay in there and remain in the drawing for the Mobile Salon School lucky giveaway that we give away every single day. So that's the big news. We're going to be doing this for the remainder of the year. For the rest of 2019, we're going to be doing a drawing every day and giving away Mobile Salon School, the $1,000 Mobile Salon School every single day. We got a huge sponsor that's going to be taking care of these tuitions. Very generous, very generous. That's $1,000 a day, every day for tuitions to get people into school, get barbers and stylists into school for them to get their own mobile salon bus. You can't beat that. You cannot beat that. And it doesn't hurt to apply. All you do is click on the link below, apply, put your name and your information in. It's very easy to apply. All the information is confidential, it's secure, it stays in-house. Once we put your application in the drawing, it remains there. So you could be picked up at any day. You could be picked up and actually win the drawing for the free tuition. So awesome deal. Mobilesalons.com. Go to mobilesalons.com. If you don't see the link in the description for this video, look on our Facebook, our YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, all the different social media outlets for Mr. Hair Art. will have the link for the drawing. All you do is pull up the application and apply, and you'll automatically be entered. Everybody that applies from here on out is entered into the drawing. So it is definitely worth it because the odds of winning are pretty good. We have a ton of sponsors and advertisers, man. Y'all can imagine these buses are advertising people, and you don't see mobile salons everywhere. You don't see them on the streets everywhere. So these advertisers know that this is a thing. They know that this is pretty big, and they know that it gets attention. They know that mobile salons gets attention, so they advertise with us. They advertise on the vehicle wraps. They advertise on the video screens of the mobile salon buses. They know we're able to deliver on a very hard-hitting and impactful advertising, so they advertise with us. We got a lot of advertising. If you're an advertiser out there, definitely hit us up. We're always in the market for more. We're always able to cover you because we're about to bulk up our staffs. We got more advertisers and sponsors than we do students, than we do people to put on the bus. So we need more people driving the buses and getting them out there on the road. Since we're going to be going public here next year, we got to get this thing ramped up. And it's turning huge. It's turning extremely huge. So definitely, guys, go ahead and apply now. Click on the link in the description and apply for the Mobile Salon School, the $1,000 school. And we're going to be doing a drawing every day and pulling a name and actually covering their tuition. Free tuition for one lucky person every day. All right. Definitely get at us, people. This is about to be huge. We're about to shake up the barber and beauty industry. And it all starts right here, right now. I'm Ronnie Mac, owner of the Shops and Salons Network, the Hair Art Network, and the new Mobile Salon Network, where we're doing free tuition. We're doing a free tuition giveaway every single day for one lucky person. Definitely, for all applicants, apply and you will be in the drawing every single day. Every day, your name will be up for being able to win every day. All right? Again, I'm Ronnie Mac, owner of the Shops Salon Network, the Hair Art Network, and the new Mobile Salon Network. Bidding you guys good luck. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please share this video because remember our motto, respect yourself because image is everything. Peace.